Ways to make money and avoid job stress. One of the most stressful problems you can face is not making enough money. Often the stress that comes from your job is a result of working hard and still feeling like you don't have enough to make ends meet. If that's your situation, you may need to find ways to supplement your income so that you can make enough without having to ditch your full-time job completely. There are several ways you can make money from your own home. These flexible options will allow you to work in whatever free time you have, and can realistically help you to increase your income and reduce your stress. And you can find something that will work with whatever skills you have to offer. One way you can make extra money is to provide services to people. You can be a virtual assistant, meaning that you provide a service without actually reporting to an office. For example, you can perform data entry, graphic design, website development, and even ghostwriting. Whatever skills you have can be sold online. Services such as Elance and Fiverr provide you with a place to market your skills and bid on jobs. In addition to providing services, you can also make money with affiliate marketing programs. This means that you help to market and sell other people's products. In exchange, you get a percentage of the profits from each sale. This is a way to make money without having to develop your own product. If you're interested in developing your own product, either something tangible or a digital download, you can go into info product sales. This is where you create your own product and sell it online. It can be an actual concrete product, or it can be something like an ebook that can be downloaded and read by the consumer. If you want to make money online, there are many people who offer expertise and guidance. Many of them are willing to help mentor you at little or no cost. You can simply go to YouTube and search how to make money online. There are a lot of free tutorials sharing by others. While you'll need to make sure you have a good internet connection and a computer that can run the appropriate software, you probably won't have to invest very much money to get started. When you're feeling financial stress because of a limited income, you'll want to find ways to work from home and make money. Working online can give you the freedom and flexibility you need to improve your financial outlook. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you subscribe to receive more video related to stress relief, stress management, and many other everyday health and wellness. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, and stay healthy.